Ladies and gentlemen, I should change the word. Beautiful ladies, handsome gentlemen. You are the future face of earning $50,000 a month. How exciting is that? Very exciting? And you should all be proud that we are part of a history. Atomy is going to change the history of network marketing. And you being part of Success Academy, you are part of that big history. So give applause for yourself for being this amazing event. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Aeri Jeong, Happy Virus, as you all know. I think Tommy just mentioned about how good is Hemohem. How my Atomy journey started it with a box of Hemohem. Box of Hemohem given to me from my mom when I just gave birth to my second daughter. After taking Hemohem, I was like, what is this? I see the tremendous improvement in my health and my mood swing is gone. My life is happy, better than ever, and I can look after my kids. And I can cook more for my husband. My journey started with the Hemohem. And I attended a seminar, of course I attended many meetings, and I studied myself on the internet. What's Atomy? And I figured it out. I cannot miss this opportunity. So let me go through the journey that I took with Atomy. So before becoming Atomy, before attending Success Academy, my life was with the bank, as you can see from my slide. I've been working there for the last 7 years. Even before that, I did have a different careers. I really like my life working in a bank, but as you know, being employed somewhere, your income is kind of limited. Doesn't matter how hard you work, you always have to worry about your bills at the end of the month. And of course, your time is tight, 9 to 5. Even though you want to do something for yourself, since your time is stuck with 9 to 5, there's a limitations. And of course, even though you are making money every month, paycheck is coming to your bank account every 2 weeks, still you have a question about life. I'm sure we all have that question in our head. Can I retire with financial freedom? And will I have a free of time to travel the world? And can I spend a little bit more time with my kids? And will I have extra money to give it to the people who need? But all the question is being answered after I met Atomy. Our Scrum Master, Doohee Kim said, you have to ask yourself why you're doing Atomy. So when I ask myself, why am I doing Atomy? To have a balanced life. Don't we all want to have a balanced life? That's it? I only see a few people want a balanced life. How many people want to have a balanced life? Everybody! Balanced life equals to success in Atomy. In order for you becoming successful, which means you're going to have a balanced life, which means you'll have a financial freedom. And when you have a financial freedom, there's so many ability that given to you. And of course, Atomy, you're gonna love one another. And life is non-stop learning, and that's why you're here too. And with all the extra money you're gonna have in your pocket, I'm definitely gonna share with the people who need my help. My biggest dream with Atomy, with the extra money, or not extra money, a lot of money I'm gonna make with Atomy, I'm gonna build a school for the orphans, children who need extra love. My love, it's unlimited. So I will share all my love with those poor children. And I'm definitely sure my dream will come true. So before I go into how much we are making, how we're gonna make it, let's think about our situation right now, your current situation. What's important to you? To some people, you could say financial freedom, or time to travel, meeting new people, early retirement, self-development, and good health donation. I'm sure everybody wants each one of the little category in there. But if we have extra income, I think all that category can be met. With extra income, imagine yourself getting even just $500, even just $200 extra income every month. Do you think your life will be changed? Maybe $200 is not enough to some people, but $200 extra income can do a lot of things. $500 extra income beside your regular income can do a lot of things. So through the seminar, through my compensation plan, find out how you can get that extra income. There are 4 big different ways for you to make income. Let's figure out where you belong. First is employed. That's where I belonged last almost like 15 years. As soon as I graduated, I was employed by different companies. And there's another type, which are business owners. And there's another type, self-employed. And last, investors. I was looking at the article the other day. Thomas Frey, futurist, he said by 2030, 2 billion jobs will disappear. So 95% of the population belongs in the self-employed or employed, number 1 and number 3 category. What are they gonna do? Their competitor is not another human being. Their competitor is a robot. So all those money guru are there introducing network marketing. Network marketing, actually, it's a great tool for you to create a wealth. Because they provide a great system. They have a product already, and sometimes they don't even ask you to pay anything to enter. Who wants to be investors here? Investor category, what's good about it? They have a time, plus they have a money. Who wants the time of freedom of time? Oh, I only see a couple of heads. So which means everybody over here wants a freedom of money, right? Why don't we have both? The reason we have to join Atomy, and the reason 420 people gather here, because of all these reasons. Atomy, no registration fee, and no monthly or annual fee. I've been doing Atomy for more than 2 years, and Atomy never get me any emails or any message to pay me anything. And number 3, if you have experienced other MLM business, you probably encounter auto-ship. Even though you love the product, compensation plan, many people stop giving it up because of the auto-ship. But at Atomy, happy news to everyone, we have no auto-ship. And no website usage fee either. Rebecca showed us how to shop online, our website. You can shop online anytime you want to. And Atomy is not even going to pay you a penny. Don't you love it? Unlimited savings and unlimited levels. But in order for you to maintain your membership, there is one rule. You have to buy at least 1 item a year for you to maintain your membership. Is it going to be hard? Not really, because there is no price range. You can buy any item available in Atomy website, even just a box of a toothbrush.